feels good. It feels good. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Jemala. Hey girl, welcome. And please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe as always. So today I'm just going to start out by parting my hair down the middle, making sure that's nice and straight. And then I'm going to go ahead and part about like an inch on each side because I will be adding some tracks in later. And this is where the split bang will come into play. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, and then I'm going to put that up so that I can start creating my bun. So today's video is basically inspired by Jayda's. So Jayda did like a split bang bun type hairstyle, and I just really like this. So I'm just going to go ahead and try to recreate that look. I also just enjoy doing like the split bang look on myself. I do have another video on my channel, so go ahead and check that out. That's just going to be like a regular ponytail with that split bang going on. So right now I'm just going to start by creating my bun. So today I'm doing my molding a little different than I usually do. I'm using this edge wax, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that on my comb and begin raking that through my hair. And then I'm going to add the edge, not the edge, but the Gots2B glue spray on there as well. So I usually use the Gots2B spray by itself. And, you know, I don't really be saying this, but it do be hard. And I don't like that. I don't like the feeling of it. It still looks good. It molds like flawlessly by itself just using that. But I saw somebody using the edge wax and this together, and it just, you know, it came out looking just as good. So I was like, let me go ahead and do this myself. So that's what I'm doing here. Same technique that I use, going in small sections, blow drying that, making sure that it's nice and molded. So I'm just going to do that throughout my hair, and then I'm going to go ahead and create my bun. So that's all that I'm about to do now. Y'all can vibe out to the music. Then I'm going to come back and explain the rest. All right, so now that I have everything molded, let me just go ahead and make this bun. So I'm just going to put my hair into a ponytail, make sure that's nice and tight and secured. It's not going nowhere, as you can see. And then I'm just going to go ahead and braid my hair and wrap that around into a small bun. Also, I forgot, I went ahead and put some styling strips around and blow dry my hair just one more time. You know, because I just want to make sure everything is nice and sleek and molded. So this is just going to help make sure everything stays in place. And then now I'm going to go ahead and braid my hair and do what I just said I was going to do before I forgot that I did this step. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Now for my rubber band method, when it comes to attaching bundles onto my ponytail or braid or whatever, I'm making the structure of the bun. I just do this method for all of my hairstyles when it comes to adding bundles. I usually attach it to the braid and just wrap up the braid, but this is going to be a bun, so I don't really need to do all that extra. So I'm just going to wrap it around my bun. You're welcome to go ahead and wrap it around the braid, but you know, I don't really see the point when you're just gonna be making a bun anyways. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. If you want more details on how I attach the rubber band and all that, definitely go watch some of my previous videos. Yeah, not much to it. I'm not gonna sit here and act like I'm doing something magical. I'm just wrapping the bundle around, and then I'm just gonna use a little small piece to end that. And for this bun, she had like a real relaxed look to her bun. It really wasn't like a top knot bun or anything like that, so that's what I was going for. So I'm just taking a small piece from the back just so I can create that band at the end. And girl, all I really did was I just started playing with it, you know, trying to figure out what looked nice, and I really just got it done on like the second try. So it looked good to me. It looked relaxed. It didn't look like too much like a top knot bun, because I feel like those are more tight, and you know, you can really see like the twist. So I wanted it to be more relaxed, like this is like my natural hair. So that's what I did. Can't really tell you what I did, but that's what I did. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap that last piece around to create that band, secure that. I used some bobby pins just to help make sure everything was secure. And yeah, girl, that's all I did. I just left the styling strips on there just a little longer, just to make sure, you know, everything was nice and sleek. Like I've been saying this whole video, I want my, you know, I want my stuff to be nice and sleek. Now for these bangs, I'm not just going to use my hair because it wasn't long enough for me. And I wanted to use some bundles just to, you know, make it longer and also a little bit fuller, as well as, you know, she had hers curled, which you'll see later on that I struggled with curling these bangs. I did not really like how it turned out. I wore this hairstyle for a couple of days, and I ended up just straightening them and kind of having them framed towards my face, which I thought was also really cute. But you're welcome to do whatever type of style you want to do for your bangs. Long, short, whatever. But yeah, so I'm just using some hair glue, and I'm going to be attaching the first piece of track after measuring it towards, you know, where I first parted the hair, and then I'm gonna part it one more time and put another piece there, measure that, glue that on. So that's all that I did, nothing too fancy. Went ahead and cut those bangs afterwards, and then you'll see how I tried to curl in a few more minutes. Now y'all could just watch me attempt to curl these bangs. It wasn't too bad, I guess, but I don't know. I don't know why I can't curl with a flat iron. Like, people make it look super easy. And girl, I wasn't trying to rip out the tracks because, you know, it started like pulling at the hair, and I'm like, oh girl, no, I'm not about to, you know, rip these tracks out because they are glued. But yeah, so this is just me trying to finesse something, you know, I'm trying to make something out of it. So that's all that I did, nothing too special. This is how it pretty much turned out. And yeah, it turned out, you know, it turned out a little decent or whatever. So I've been trying to figure out how to curl these bangs. It's not working, so this is the best it's gonna get. You know, this molding though, it turned out really nice. I definitely redeemed myself from last time. Using the two products that I did this time is definitely what I'm gonna go for from now on. Shout out to whoever video girl, I don't remember who it was, but shout out to you, girl, for sharing this, because this is all I'm gonna be using for now on when it comes to sleek ponytails or whatever. And you know, I usually just use the Gots2B by itself, but girl, it'd be hard as hell. It'd be sleek, it'd be molded, but it'd be hard. So you know, this is nice and smooth, so we love that. But yeah, I really like how this turned out. I got a little bit of flyaways, don't mind those, I'm gonna get that later. But yeah, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all all in the next one. Bye, beautiful.